Today's video, I'm going to be talking about Euro CHF. I'm going to be doing my analysis on Euro CHF. If you are a scalpers or intraday trader, you can make use of this analysis because you will know the strong zone, the strong demand zone, and the strong supply zone on the higher time frame. So now let's get started. You can see a trend line here. And also after the break of the trend line, there is a support level here, a demand zone. There is a demand zone here. So as the price break this trend line here, the price break this lower high here before the price returns back to the support level here. So this is going to be our target because at this point, when we see a good bullish rejection candle, we are going to be taking our buy position here. So this is going to be our risk reward. Where the trend line starts is going to be our reward, while our risk will be around 0.95. That's going to be our risk reward. Our target will be where the trend line starts here. So now we need to switch to weekly time frame to know the strong points, what can delay the movement. So now let's switch to weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame here. As you can all see here, there's a trend line here. On the weekly time frame. So this point here is going to be our strong zone. This point here is going to be our strong zone. So our first target, when we take our buy entry here, our first target will be this point on the weekly time frame because it's our strong zone. This point is going to be our first target before this point because this is a strong zone on the weekly time frame. So now let's go back to daily time frame. So this is our daily time frame now. So what we need now is a good bullish rejection candle here. Then our first target will be this point, the strong zone on the weekly time frame, before our second target will be this point where the trend line starts. So this point here. This point here will be our first target, while our risk will be this point. So that's that about Euro CHF. Scalpers and intraday can also make use of this analysis so you can know the strong points when you are executing your trade. So thank you. If you find the video useful, kindly like, and also if you're entering this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye for now.